Hey guys, finally we reached Nandi Hills. We left morning around 4:30, and while I was coming, there was an incident. I just had my mic, left in the tea stall, so I had to go back and finally get it back. So now the time is around 7, so I'm back. So you can almost the bike parking is full. Let's see how the top view will be, so we'll come to know about it. Take a look at the view. Oh, super ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Finally we reached the top viewpoint, and today compared to the last time, this time it's pretty nice. You can take a look at the view. I've taken some cinematic shots. Please enjoy the cinematic shots of this entire viewpoint.